From the groundbreaking Sony A7 that redefined full-frame value to the Sony A7 that brought advanced autofocus and high-resolution hybrid shooting, each release has raised the bar in the mirrorless camera world. Now, all eyes are turning to the Sony A7V, the rumored next-generation full-frame hybrid camera that's expected to bring a shocking set of upgrades. Over the past several months, the photography community has been buzzing with leaks, insider whispers, and analyst predictions about the A7V. Some of these rumored changes are expected, like incremental improvements to autofocus and video quality. But others, if true, could redefine what we expect from a mirrorless camera in 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video we've heard so far, analyzing what they mean for both professionals and enthusiasts. One of the most significant rumors surrounding the Sony A7V is the introduction of a completely new sensor technology. While Sony has already been at the forefront of sensor development, sources suggest the A7V could debut a global shutter full-frame sensor, a first for the Alpha series. A global shutter would eliminate rolling shutter distortion entirely, meaning fast-moving subjects or rapid pans in video would look perfectly natural without the jello effect. This is especially important for sports, wildlife, and high-end cinematography, where rolling shutter artifacts can ruin otherwise perfect shots. If true, this would put Sony years ahead of most competitors in the hybrid camera market. Global shutter tech has been available in some cinema cameras, but rarely in full-frame stills focus models due to the high cost and complexity. The A7V could make it accessible to a wider audience, giving professionals another reason to stick with Sony's ecosystem. Sony has already earned a reputation for industry-leading autofocus, especially with their real-time tracking and IAF systems. However, the A7V is rumored to push this even further by integrating AI-powered predictive autofocus. This system would analyze your shooting patterns, the subject's movement, and environmental context to anticipate where the subject will be, not just where it is now. For example, if you're shooting a soccer match and a player is about to turn and sprint, the A7V could predict that motion and adjust focus tracking accordingly before it even happens. This would drastically improve hit rates in unpredictable shooting environments. Some insiders also claim that the camera will include expanded object recognition, not just for humans and animals, but for specific sports equipment, vehicles, and even certain products for commercial shooters. This could make it an even more versatile tool for professionals who need reliable autofocus in specialized situations. Videographers have been waiting for Sony to bring full-frame 8K recording without excessive overheating or recording time limits. According to multiple leaks, the A7V could deliver exactly that. Using the new sensor and an upgraded processing engine, possibly the Bion's XR2, the camera may support 8K at up to 60 frames per second with advanced compression options like 10-bit 4:2:2 and all-intra recording. There are also whispers of internal RAW recording, which would be a huge step forward for filmmakers who want the maximum flexibility in post-production. Combined with advanced heat dissipation systems, this could make the A7V one of the most capable video tools in the hybrid market. Sony may also refine its menu system for video shooters, offering dedicated video menus and faster access to frequently used settings.